You could be paying full price by going solar with other solar companies, or if you stay till the end of this video, you could find out how you could be saving a lot of money by going with SolarTops. Sounds like sorcery? Perhaps. But here are the top 5 reasons why you should go solar now. Current tax credits and incentives can reduce the cost of your system by nearly 1/3. Think of how many potions you could buy with that type of money. But you need to hurry because time is of the essence as these credits will expire soon. Not only will solar save you money on your utility bills, but it will actually increase the value of your home. No hocus pocus here, just facts. Going solar is one of the most effective ways to go green, preserving the mystical beauty of our state. Homeowners that wait to get their system installed usually face a series of delays. By deciding to go solar now, you could say abracadabra to waiting in line and get your system up and running in just a few short weeks. The only thing hotter than the fire of a dragon is the summer in Arizona. By getting your system installed now, you can start saving before those utility bills start hitting in the summertime. We hope these top 5 reasons have left you spellbound. Now it's time to save. Go to solartops.com and enter promo code TOPS5 to save $500 off your installation. But you need to hurry. These magic words will expire soon.